guys, this is Missouri State University, and we are going to the library. I'll show you the library. Looks so like it's fall.
This is fall at Missouri State University, where we sealing a partnership deal with the school. It's such a beautiful school with a population of 22,000 students. Over 20,000 students. I think approximately 22,000 students. This is one of the best learning environments that you can ever come across. And the school is in a city called Springfield.
Look at the stadium. Must be a lot of players. That's why they call it stadium. See how nice they have the stadium.
This is the school stadium.
Yep. Kenya, where would you get such a stadium?
This is actually this is bigger than Kinoru. Huh? It's the same size.
Look, how nice it is. This maybe to be basket.
McDonald Arena.
It's beautiful, isn't it? When I first came here, it's so different than I don't know how like in China, but like in China, library you never have available seats. Whenever you go, it's full of people. You can never find available seats. But here, whenever you go, you can rest, you can have some food on the food court.
This is the library.
Yeah, this is the library.
So this is where most students will be spending their time. Those who come here.
Especially during finals, I believe I forgot if it's 24/7, but it's open during late during finals. Once I saw a student, of course they would bring their blankets, I saw a student brought a rice cooker, I don't know what's inside. So it's like they leave here during the finals.
Very nice.
I spend most of my time here, typing papers. Yeah, there are also some private rooms you can reserve.
So those are private rooms there?
These are private. We have more upstairs.
So guys, we can't make a lot of noise in the library. We have to make sure that
They do. They are downstairs, upstairs.
So that side over there, what is it for?
Like over there. just resting area. People can eat or talk and group projects.
Okay. So you can talk there, but here it's more silent.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we're inside the library, as you can see.
Big posters for events.
See how big the libraries are. Libraries.
Here's where you reserve like the private rooms or make appointments. It's like writing center. We have a service called Very Call, which you will get free tutor for some of the subjects you study. And you can also schedule an appointment with one of the tutors who help you with writing, academic writing. They can check on your paper, correct your grammars. Those are very handy and practical. I use them a lot when I was a police. So all the services are there. You can go there and make an appointment over there and say, I want to do this way. And it's all free for students as well.
Okay.
Really gives you this, like, you're in your own apartment, kind of feeling.
This library is huge.
And this is only, like, I guess it's the basic and the first one. And we have second, third, and fourth. More places. It's never, you can always find a place to stay. And actually on the second floor, it's a very interesting area that I like the most, where they have the trolley.
So are these for renting or? You're watching Success with Bob Mwiti Show, presented to you by Upstack America. Upstack America is a consulting company that helps immigrants find amazing higher education and job opportunities in the tech industry in the United States. You can find our programs by going to www.upstackamerica.com. Upstack America, we wake you up to the unlimited potential within you. Interviews you normally will do in the offices.
Yeah, this would be probably more organic. But this is
been here and I was at the university. Library was never my place.
Sorry?
Nilikuwa university.
Yeah.
Sikuwa nakanyaga library. Because it's so quiet. Yeah. It's very quiet, guys.
Just study very hard.
Yeah.
BMK. Unaonaje? Unaonaje? Sijaiona library because it's stopped. Huge.
Pin drop silence.
Can walk out and
Oh wow. So you can work out on your computer. This place is nice. So beautiful. So why is it that there are some symbols for bears?
Oh, bears?
Yeah.
Bear is our mascot. And yeah, for sure, each university they have their own mascot, and
Oh.
ours is a bear.
I thought they usually this is a place where there are bears. I thought Missouri
We
maybe.
do have bears on our the flag of our state.
Yeah.
So I'm not really sure if that's we kind of had the inspiration from there, and also the bears is also the same for athlete teams.
Okay.
So it's like bear, we are bears.
I get it, I
Yeah,
get
so
it.
Bear is our mascot.
Um,
So we always say go bears, and we say we are bears.
Oh, yeah.
Bear up. Once a bear, always a bear. Always
I get it.
those things. We finished our homecoming last, I remember, two weeks ago. Yeah,
the homecoming.
the homecoming, the football game.
Oh, okay.
And this whole campus was like a big party
Yeah.
with all different tents and tailgating party.
Yeah. The trees look beautiful.
Yeah, it looks more, how can you spring? It looks more beautiful in spring.
In spring.
Flowers and trees are green. It's a little bit sad because we're, trying to get ready to go here.
Yeah.
It's a little bit sad, but it's nice. I like it.
It usually get very cold here, right?
Sometimes it does, and the weather in spring is very weird. Like you can experience, maybe that's exaggerating, but like 4 different seasons in one day. In the morning, sunny, and
Yeah.
suddenly thunderstorm, and then it's like everything goes back to normal. It's very interesting here, so it's not consistent.
Yeah.
Today it's cold, tomorrow can be 70 or 80s. Sometimes it's not. I don't like that about the weather, but it's fun.
Was it?
Yeah, it does get cold and here. We had cold winters and we had really warm winters as well.
Yeah.
I remember one Christmas we had, it was like probably like 70s. People were wearing sweatshirt and hanging out outside.
Oh.
It was very warm.
Okay.
And sometimes it's like 30, below 30s.
Yeah.
And those are the very nice, very shuttle students can take to different buildings. It stops at different areas.
Oh, it usually takes students to different buildings around the school.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because it's a
okay.
big campus, so sometimes you don't have time to run to your next
Yeah.
class. So it's like different lines. You see them running around the campus. And you can also take one route to downtown where our office is or where your very convenient.
This is the mosque.
Yeah, and I guess this is a new project started 3 years ago. Like each department, they can request a bear,
Yeah.
and they design their own bear. So these are always
Oh,
designed
wow.
by their departments, and then they work with the like planning, design,
Yeah.
construction office, and they make this happen on campus. Oh,
It's a
might be
beautiful
fun
school.
might be fun for you to see one of those running robots. If we get to see them, I think I'll see ones.
How was it for you transitioning to the US? Like, did the weather affect you in any way?
Not really. It's because my hometown also had 4 distinguished seasons, so I'm used to this kind of changes in the seasons, this weather.
Yeah.
So that was the issue. I didn't feel too shocked when I got here, but the sky is blue. It's beautiful.
This is so beautiful. This is a robot delivering phone to students at Missouri State University. We just came here for the official signing of our partnership. So just look at it, man. Phenomenal. This is my first time to see such a thing. It's a robot. It's taking meals to students. Man, this is indeed a first world country. I hope to see our country there someday in future. This is incredible. I've never seen something of the sort.
You've been watching Success with Bob Mwiti Show, brought to you by Upstack America. Come back next time to hear more steps and missteps that I took on the path to becoming a successful immigrant in USA. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.